2019 X3 upper radiator hose replaced. Okay, you would have to take intake plenum off, just move it to the side, and then there's 3 bolts down there that you had to remove. Then the clips down in there, you just gotta pull it up and pull it out. It's simple, not too hard. Just make sure you remove all the wiring like that. Little return hose here, but everything is pretty much straightforward, very easy. These are the bolts that came out. Make sure you move that, everything to the side. Simple. If you're a mechanic, you know what I'm talking about. Alright, thank you for watching.